Type-C female to micro USB male adapter connector USB Type-C micro USB charger A. Type-C female to micro USB male adapter. A must-have accessory for your Android device. If you have an Android device with a Type-C port, you need a Type-C female to micro USB male adapter. This adapter allows you to connect your Android device to older micro USB chargers and accessories. What is a Type-C female to micro USB male adapter? A Type-C female to micro USB male adapter is a small, lightweight adapter that allows you to connect a micro USB cable to a Type-C port. This is useful if you have an Android device with a Type-C port and you need to connect it to an older micro USB charger or accessory. How to use a Type-C female to micro USB male adapter. To use a Type-C female to micro USB male adapter, simply plug the micro USB end of the cable into the adapter and then plug the adapter into the Type-C port on your Android device. You can then use the cable to charge your device or connect it to an older micro USB accessory. Benefits of using a Type-C female to micro USB male adapter. There are several benefits to using a Type-C female to micro USB male adapter. Asterisk compatibility. Asterisk a Type-C female to micro USB male adapter allows you to connect your Android device to older micro USB chargers and accessories. This is important if you have a lot of older micro USB cables and accessories that you don't want to replace. Asterisk convenience. Asterisk a Type-C female to micro USB male adapter is small and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. You can easily keep one in your bag or pocket so that you always have it when you need it. Asterisk affordability. Asterisk Type-C female to micro USB male adapters are very affordable. You can find them for a few dollars online or at your local electronics store. Where to buy a Type-C female to micro USB male adapter? You can buy a Type-C female to micro USB male adapter online or at your local electronics store. Prices start at around $5. Here are some of the best Type-C female to micro USB male adapters on the market. Asterisk. Amazon Basics Type-C to micro USB adapter. https www.amazon.com/amazon-basics-type-c-micro-adapter/dp/b071x4315c. Asterisk. Belkin USB-C to micro B adapter. https www.belkin.com/us/p/p-awk002/. Asterisk. Anker Powerline micro USB to USB-C adapter. https www.anker.com/products/A8189. Final thoughts. A Type-C female to micro USB male adapter is a must-have accessory for your Android device. It allows you to connect your device to older micro USB chargers and accessories, giving you more flexibility and convenience.